What if you could turn a simple idea into interactive prototypes and polish slide decks in minutes? No design or coding skills required. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude Design to create animations, demos, and presentations using just a single prompt. Stick around. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start building your own. When you open Claude Design, you land on a clean homepage built around one simple idea. Start from whatever stage you're at. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs that define your starting point: Prototype, Slide Deck, and From Template. The Prototype tab is where you go when you want Claude to build something interactive: a working demo, a clickable mockup, or a functional web component you can actually test in the browser. This is perfect for pitching a product concept or visualizing a user flow without touching a single line of code. The Slide Deck tab turns your prompt into a fully designed presentation. Think client pitches, training decks, or conference talks. Claude handles the structure, layout, and visual hierarchy so you can focus on the message. And the From Template tab is your shortcut when you don't want to start from a blank page. You can browse pre-built starting points, pick the one that fits your use case, and let Claude customize it around your idea. Before you start typing your own prompt, click on the Examples tab. Claude Design gives you a gallery of pre-built example prompts you can test drive. These are perfect if you're new to the tool or just want to see what's possible. You'll find examples ranging from text particle effects and morphing shapes to 3D card flips, and the one we're going to try today, a globe loader. Each example comes with a short preview and a ready-to-go prompt. When you hover over one, you'll see a Use This Prompt button. Click it and Claude drops you straight into the design chat window with the prompt already loaded and ready to run. For the globe loader, the prompt reads, "Prototype a loading indicator that shows the globe spinning with real country outlines. No editing required, just hit send and Claude gets to work." This is a great way to learn how to structure your own prompts. Notice how specific it is. It tells Claude what to build: a loading indicator, what it should do, show a spinning globe, and what level of detail to include: real country outlines. That specificity is what separates a generic result from something you'd actually ship. Give Claude a few minutes and see what Claude builds. On the right side of the screen, you'll see Claude generate a single .html file in real time. For the globe loader, Claude pulls in real geographic data to draw the country outlines, sets up an SVG or canvas element to render the globe, and writes the animation code to rotate it smoothly on its axis. You can watch the code stream in line by line, which is honestly kind of satisfying to watch. If there's something you want to change, just head back to the chat and tell Claude what to adjust. For example, I'll prompt "remove the whirl effect around the globe," and Claude will update the .html file and re-render the preview instantly. To further improve the design, we can keep refining with another quick prompt. Something like, add a dark theme, major world city markers, and city connections. Claude layers in all 3 changes at once, giving the globe a sleek nighttime look with glowing city pins and connecting lines that make the loader feel production ready. To show you the real power of Claude Design, let's try a custom prompt. Design a split-flap display inspired by classic European train station departure boards. I will include the full prompt in the video description below. Once it renders, you can use the built-in toolbar to customize the message and adjust the flip speed on the fly, dialing in the exact look and feel without sending another prompt. Hit the flip button and watch the board come to life, each tile snapping into place to spell out Claude Design, just like you'd see rolling across a train station in Europe. Last up, let's talk about the Slide Deck tab. And honestly, this one is a game changer if you build presentations for a living. Claude Design can pull directly from your existing materials to create polished on-brand slide decks. Point it at your website, a GitHub repo, or your brand guidelines, and Claude will extract the content, match your visual style, and generate a full presentation. Every deck comes with speaker notes baked in for each slide, so you're not scrambling to write talking points after the fact. Claude drafts them based on the slide content, giving you a ready-to-present starting point you can tweak to match your voice. And when you're ready to take it outside Claude, just click the Share button in the upper right corner. From there, you can export the entire deck straight to Microsoft PowerPoint, speaker notes and all, so you can open it up, make final edits, and present it anywhere. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd build with Claude Design. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.